Hey guys, as you see in the picture, Zepto has introduced Zepto Daily Member Pass at ₹1. This has been replaced with Zepto Pass that is present now on Zepto, right? Let's check out that. And few questions would be answered in this video as how to get free cash plus free gifts on Zepto. Interested? Let's get going. Hello, namaste. How are you doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling, right? This is Flying Skies 1 welcomes you all to watch very good videos and offers as you see in the picture. First, let's see how to get Zepto Daily Member Pass at ₹1. Go to Zepto app, click on profile icon. You will find this icon appearing. If it doesn't appear, you can come back and go to Zepto. As shown in the picture, you can click on Zepto and here you can see Zepto Daily Member Pass. You can click on that as shown in the picture and this kind of screen appears before you as you can check out the benefits that you gain from having this Zepto Daily Member Pass at ₹1. As shown in the picture, you have unlimited deliveries at ₹99 and there's no minimum order value clause to place an order on Zepto. Okay, besides these benefits of having unlimited deliveries and no minimum order value clause, you have one most important point is you can have lowest prices offered on Zepto by having this Zepto Daily Member Pass at ₹1. So you can check out to have Zepto Daily Member Pass at ₹1. As you see in the picture, you can scroll down and you can have answers to few of your questions, that is FAQ, and check out with the terms and conditions. Okay, after you does that, you can get back and click on Get Daily at ₹1. Once you click on that, you can click on more options to make payment, and let me tell you, only online payment modes are available. No offline payment modes are allowed, so you can choose any online payment modes as shown in the picture. Here I have chose Amazon Pay. So once you click on Pay, this kind of screen appears before you and your payment gets processed. That's done. You will get Zepto Daily Member Pass at ₹1 as shown in the picture. You can click on Start Ordering Now and enjoy Zepto Daily Member Pass benefits, right? Now we'll see as how to get free cash from Zepto. As you see in the picture, you can go to Zepto app. Right on the home screen, you can click on profile icon. Once you click on that, you can scroll down and click on win ₹200. Once you click on that, a link would be generated wherein you got to share that link with your friend who is not aware of Zepto. Once your friend logins Zepto with the link and code that you shared and goes for his first order, then you will receive 200 free cash from Zepto. Okay, let me tell you one more way to get free cash from Zepto. You can go to Zepto Saver as shown in the picture and you have here the clause of having free cash from Zepto is you got to place 4 orders on Zepto, then you will be getting free cash on your 5th order. And not only that, you can have free gifts as well. If you want video on this free gifts, you can check out on my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling. Don't forget to subscribe please. Thank you all.